Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anirudh and today's video is going to be a study vlog. If you have not already subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing it. Currently it's 9 o'clock in the evening. I just woke up, so yeah, that's my morning. The very first thing I do is to prepare a roadmap for the day. It is always beneficial to make a to-do list at the beginning of the day because it gives you a vision what you have to do in the entire day and helps you to organize your time accordingly. It is very important to set practical goals rather than ambitious because it can really boost your confidence at the end of your day. So here I am preparing my to-do list. So we are done with it and ready to start our first session. सबसे पहले मैं वो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ता हूँ जिसमें I have a problem or I am not good at. Well, my optional is not my strong suit yet. I have only read it once, so I am sparing like 3 hours a day on daily basis for my optional as there won't be enough time to prepare it after prelims. There are only 2.5 months which we are gonna get, and there will be a lot on the plate. And I don't want to leave anything to chances. So me taking all the precautions. What I really believe in, if you have invested 1 year of your time in something, you want to make it worth your while. Mostly, I prefer to write it down. It has always been beneficial to me. Not only it helps me to retain the content for a longer period, but also to increase my writing speed. Because in mains, speed matters a lot. I'm done with my optional. Now it's time to take a quick break and then switch back to history. After the break, we are back to studies. In this session, we are going to do the revision through the video lectures on YouTube. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm feeling hungry. So let's take a break and have something to eat. In the meanwhile, I watch some videos, some entertainment videos, or maybe listen to music just to refresh my mind and get back to studies with a fresh mind. Now I am ready for next session. In this session, we are revising the economic survey. There are two ways to do it. Either you can read it on your own, which is a hard way if you are not familiar with the terminologies, or you can go for video lectures on it. In the video lectures, they usually explain the basics and give a detailed explanation so that it would be easier for the person who is not from economic background to understand it. Although it's not that difficult, but yeah, It depends on one's choice. And I prefer both video lectures as well as reading on my own. So what I do is first I watch video lectures, then I read the economic survey by my own. It's 5:50 in the morning and I am kind of frustrated now. I've been studying whole night and now it's time to take a break. Let's go out and explore the beautiful morning. I just came back from a walk and now here comes my favorite part for which I have been waiting, the newspaper. I don't spend more than 30 to 40 minutes reading a newspaper. And if you are spending more than that time on a newspaper, I think you are wasting your time because not every news is important and not every article is to be read. But it does not mean that you can skip the newspaper, especially if you are a first timer, because it helps you to improve your vocab as well as formalize your language, both spoken and written. For that, I write down keywords from the newspaper so that I can use them in my answers to stand out. I had my breakfast, now we are back to studies. We are going to cover the fourth session of static portion. In this session, I am going to cover three topics, that is President, Parliament and Judiciary. I always keep previous year question booklet with me so that I would know what type of question UPSC is asking. I like to keep those subjects for morning which really interests me and I am good at. Fortunately, polity is my strong suit. I am almost done with my polity. Now it's time to test how much we have gained. So let's start with a test series. I am practicing subjective test series on daily basis at the moment, but soon I'll start the full length test. Now it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm done with my test series. Now this is going to be the last session and I'm going to start my current affair analysis. I watch current affair analysis on YouTube and make my own notes. It helps me in better understanding of the topic, and when you revise from your own notes, you can do it in half the time or even less than reading a magazine. Although I do read magazines, first of all, thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Now I got a quick question for you all who have watched this video with so much patience. I'm going to show you a video, and can you comment the name of the place where you can see such a drastic change? within a span of just 1 month. Let's see how strong is your geography.